Hello everybody, it's Anna here with another Welsh lesson for you today from our favourite waterfall here in North Wales, and we're going to be learning the months of the year. So join us. Croeso, you're very welcome. January is Ionawr, February is Chwefror, March is Mawrth, April is Ebrill, May is Mai, June is Mehefin, July is Gorffennaf, August is Awst, September is Medi, October is Hydref, November is Tachwedd, and December is RHAEADR. And we'll leave our Welsh lesson there for today from Desert Falls, and we'll say ta-ta for now, and we'll see you on the next adventure or the next Welsh lesson. Diolch, that's thank you. Don't forget to keep practicing, and we'll see you soon. Ta-ta for now.